Well, in general, women are less likely than men to outrightly initiate sex with their partners, but to compensate, they are very well versed in the art of giving subtle hints. We will share 5 signs of body language a woman wants sex. Before going to the video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your comment, like and share for more videos like this one. Let's go. We are going to the video. Her eye contact. Women will hold your gaze longer than usual when they want to flirt. Think about how long she makes eye contact when you talk to her. Does she hold her gaze for more than 5 seconds and rarely break the contact to look away? While it isn't exclusive to romance, frequent eye contact indicates attraction. Her lips. Lip biting is not just an easy way to hint at impatience to move on to a romantic hump, but also an unconscious reaction to the presence of a sexual stimulus. Perhaps at this moment, a girl is struggling with her naughty thoughts and is afraid to say too much, so she tries to restrain her passionate confessions by biting her lips. She touches you intimately. She might not jump your bones every time. She is horny, but women are usually a little touchy-feely in a not-so-obvious way when they feel aroused. She might touch you more often than normal. She might even be more daring by reaching and stroking you in your inner thighs, neck and so on. Her hips. Biting her lip while watching you is a sign she wants to kiss you. When a woman bites her lip, it's usually a seductive gesture that signals her intentions, namely, that romance is on her mind. Pay attention to her body language. If she bites her lip while looking at you or listening to you, it's an unspoken sign that she's attracted to you. She plays with her hair. Ladies toss or twirl their hair to get you to admire it. Analyze her body language, especially when you notice her looking at you. If she's playing with her hair more often than not while she looks at you, it's a strong sign that she's attracted to you. She's likely teasing you and trying to seduce you without directly saying something. Staring game. Interest and sympathy for the opposite sex is read in the eyes. If a girl is sexually aroused and lusts for a man, her pupils dilate, and her gaze continually stops at the object of desire. She may be embarrassed and pretend to look in a different direction, but one way or another, the girl will glance at the man over and over again. Well, if you like these 5 psychological signs about women's body, then like this video and share it with your friends. And subscribe to our channel. Leave your comment for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.